The global ad tech industry is booming, and skilled professionals are in high demand. Every ad you see on websites, apps, YouTube, Instagram, or even your smart TV is powered by programmatic advertising, the AI-driven technology that helps brands reach the right audience at the right time automatically. For students, that means incredible opportunities in a fast-growing, high-paying industry that's shaping the future of digital marketing. But here's the truth: only a few places truly teach the entire ad tech ecosystem, from platforms to real-world strategy and hands-on experience. That's where DigiGrow comes in. At DigiGrow, we train you to master everything: programmatic advertising, affiliate marketing, DSPs, SSPs, Google Ad Manager, Google Analytics, and much more. Our 10-week intensive ad tech training program is designed to give you the perfect mix of knowledge and real-world experience. You'll learn directly from seasoned ad tech experts through interactive sessions, live projects, and one-on-one mentorship. And the best part? You'll get a 2-month free internship right after the course. A chance to apply everything you've learned in real industry projects. After completion, you'll earn a DigiGrow certification, a powerful proof of your expertise and confidence to start your ad tech career. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upskill, with DigiGrow, you'll learn faster, grow smarter, and lead the way in digital advertising. The ad tech revolution is here. Are you ready to grow with us?